Hello again. This is Jacki Kellum, and I'm going to be repainting. So this is Sunflower with the blues. Jacki Kellum Water. That's hard to understand. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the next color in, which is cadmium yellow medium. And there's not all that much dark over here, because maybe between the petals. Cadmium yellow, but over here it's very cadmium yellow. In fact, that almost could be the first color you put in over here. But over here, just a little bit on the bottom side of the petal. Between the petals, it's going to be dark. And then I'm going to go to cadmium yellow dark. Now then, I already said you don't really need cadmium yellow dark. You can make cadmium yellow dark by mixing cadmium yellow medium and cadmium yellow orange. I mean, cadmium orange, not cadmium yellow orange, but cadmium orange. But I have it, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. Do you see how it's progressively getting darker? And I don't want that everywhere. I'm just down here at the base where at the bottom and at the base. Now then, I'm going to cadmium orange. Now then, like I said, over here it's darker because the light's hitting here. The whole petal over here is darker. I mean, the whole flower over here is darker because the light is hitting here and it's casting shadow on this side of the flower. I paint wet and wet almost exclusively. Well, I do paint. I do sometimes tighten up, but not much. I'm not much of a tightener upper. Now then, while I have this cadmium orange, I'm going to go ahead and suggest the top of this, because the cadmium orange is gonna be right there. And I might just go ahead and put just a tad of red in this, and understand any place you let water meet water, it's gonna run. And I like some running, I don't like other. See that how it's running? Some of that's okay. But you just need to know what you're doing. You know when you're doing it and hope for the best. Okay, so that's my first step.